Hello children, it's Mrs. Juttla again. Today we're going to do another intervention all about speech sounds. And the sound that we're going to look at today is the sound D. And how we practice the sound D is we put the tip of our tongue behind our teeth like this. D. 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 And we're going to do my turn and then your turn. Let's get started. We'll practice that first. D. 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 Excellent, well done. And just like before, I found some objects in my house, all beginning or sounding with the sound D. Let's see what I found. The first object that I found is a dice. Dice. Fantastic. Dog. 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 Excellent, well done. And the last thing that I found is a drum. 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 Excellent, well done. I wonder if you could go and find a mirror in your home, just like before, and practice the sound D. Well done, you have worked really hard today. Watch out for the next video. See you soon. Keep safe. Bye.